Operational efficiency, scaling production, and streamlining processes, all while improving the customer experience, are most critical for the manufacturing industry. As a business that manufactures and services quality products, you know how challenging and critical these initiatives can be. But what if there was a way to help you quickly and efficiently drive improved operational outcomes, particularly for your field service operations, and to ultimately enhance your overall customer experience? A way to make your field operations your new customer loyalty strategy? Well, there is. It's called Zuper. Introducing the world's most powerful field service management solution for fast-growing manufacturing organizations like yours. Designed to automate workflows, streamline processes, improve operational efficiency, and increase your service quality. Zuper lets you supercharge your work order management processes to achieve optimal operational efficiency by automating processes for new installations, ongoing performance management, and maintenance services. Offering a robust suite of customization options, Zuper lets you streamline each step of your processes, no matter how complex. Develop tailored workflows and gain access to advanced analytics and reporting so you can monitor job details and gain valuable insights across your operations. You'll be able to monitor new installation and repair job completion rates, as well as any preventative maintenance schedules. By adopting Zuper's field service management solution in your manufacturing business, your business will enjoy customized workflows that enable your field operations to run smoothly from start to finish. Best-in-class scheduling and dispatching of field technicians, whether they are FTE, W-2, or 1099. Comprehensive job status oversight, including installations and ongoing maintenance. Base-level reporting for deeper project insights and improved project management. White glove implementation and customer support, and much more. Visit www.zuper.co to learn more about Zuper's field service management for your manufacturing business.